Gavumenti ya Uganda omu mwaka wa 2007 ekahereza abarisa hamwe n'abahingi itaka konko kwihobo na hati gavumenti ekaremwa kwigura ensharo ekizire kikagimesereza abaturo kuza ofisi ya RDC eyibamazire emyezi 3
abasongora mu batunya kwa malemetro twamabula aheri yatukarema twamabula ne sefizisi abana ekihu kya maturema kandi obwe bidu byetu twabiretse komwe koti ibye biri na ruamu ndeke
abantu bagira ngo n'ubu bagenda tubashemerirwe bwanyuma ya gavumenti kucererwa kwigura ensharo
twendire mitima yetu sitaliga twamende mitima yetu ini nyuma neriba tukasabe gavumenti yitwibuke na tutuliba hibo musolo ke tukananga tuliba komi tunanu tunekiriyo bululubunga ngaho obwa tukende ha Museveni.
I request let them fulfill the promise that will bring our hearts to cool down. In fact, this has interrupted many people's minds. Even I know we are going in elections. This has interrupted many minds of the people.
Lieutenant Mate Magwara uri umuyobozi wa RDC wa district ya Kasese nagira ngo bahurire enshonga zabo zona ezurukwata amataka mbwenu bahumure nazija korwaho.
Category number 2 of the lands are those civil suits in courts. Those which have no connection with the settlement of Asongwere in 2007. Those are like Butsumba, Koya Bataka versus Dan Ndahora Kasagama, Chirembe, Koya Western importers and the exporters.
The problem was on the beneficiary side. They wanted one cooperative to be registered in, to be the one to be in the title. They submitted the two. It took time for the government to decide. So the minister wrote to us requesting us that he will not come on 11th as he had the 3 months end on 11th.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.